Hello from Volcano Bay. Today is July 4th. So I think it's going to be like a high of 97 degrees today. So let's get to it. Now, we did just get in here, just got off the bus, and wouldn't you know it, they just made an announcement that everything's closed due to lightning in the area. So that's awesome. All right, so we are now inside. We're going to go find a spot to put all of our things. And have a little bit of a correction. So the team members said that they're watching. So nothing is closed as of yet. There's lightning within 10 miles of Volcano Bay right now. So they are watching it. They'll let us know. If it gets closer, then they will have to shut things down. But as of right now, everything is still open. So we are going to put our stuff down and immediately tap in for Krakatau. See if we can ride that today. Hopefully we will be able to. 265 minutes for Krakatau. All right, so we found a spot to put our stuff down. And now I'm just gonna walk around Volcano Bay, do a lap around. I think it is extremely crowded today because it is very, very hot. But we'll just walk around, see about how long the waits for the slides are as of right now. We already tapped in with our Tapu Tapus for Krakatau, so 265 minutes. That's crazy! But it is a very hot day today, so we'll see what else we can ride. All right, right here is Waku and Puihi. These are the round raft rides here, so this one is the look at that, not bad at all. 10 minutes. I do want to say though, if you see another ride you want to tapu in for, your previous tapu that you tapped in for a ride will go away. So don't tap in for another slide until you already finished the previous one, or if you just go ahead and decide you don't want to do that one. Right. So down here below me is the Fearless River, and you have to wear a life jacket in order to get onto it. There they are. All down below. It looks a lot more crowded on this side. We walked almost all around the entire park and couldn't find any spots, and then look, here they are. Plenty of spots to sit down. That is hilarious. I mean, most of them are in the sun, not very many with umbrellas left. But I mean, hey. There's all kinds of spots over here. And this is right beside the racers. So it is the yellow, the orange, and the black slides here. These are really fun. Punga Racers. Let's see how long the wait is for these. Oh my goodness, now that we found only 2 little chairs for us to sit on, I'm finding all kinds of other areas. So again, these are not in the shade, which is probably why they're not taken right now, because it is a super hot day. But right here, this green one is Krakatau. You see somebody coming right now? Whee! You couldn't really see them from the wall, but that is Krakatau, and then these are the Punga Racers right here. They're really fun, and my whole family can get on them. So, and it is a ride now. There was no time at all, so you can just hop in line and go for it. This is the spot where the camera is for Krakatau, so if you do get the photo package, right here is where you need to be smiling. So much fun! The Taniwha Tubes is also a ride now. So this one consists of 2 slides, Raku and Tonga. So the blue and to the right, the green to the left. And here's a look at what they look like on the outside. You can see the green and the blue tubes intertwining. It is all enclosed, and it is a 2-person tube ride. Super fun. We love the tube rides. And then you come out and you get squirted. When you come out, you get squirted by these guys. So this one right here, and that one. That one looks more fun. Alright, so I also wanted to mention that you can wear your sandals as you're walking around, because these sidewalks are quite hot. They do have a lot of sprayers on the sidewalk to keep it cooled down, but it's still pretty hot because it's not absolutely everywhere. And Also, they do have places for you to put your shoes, your sandals, whatever, right before you get onto the slides. But like I mentioned the last time that we were here, they allowed our daughter to wear her sandals on the slide because she wasn't quite tall enough, but with her shoes, she was able to ride on the very last ride that, Anu, the last one that she hasn't ridden here at Volcano Bay. So there's that little bit of information for you. All right, so this river right down here below me is the slow one. So this one you do not need to have a life jacket in order to get in this river. They do have tubes, but you don't have to use them either. So it's not very deep at all. This little sign over here says that it's 3 feet deep. So it's just a good, slow little lazy river for you to get into. Have some relaxing time. One other thing, they have these little tapu points. So when you have your Tapu Tapu, you just scan it and it makes things happen around the park. So this one is supposed to make that guy spit water out. It's not working. Why isn't it working? Fail. Oh, there he goes. And so he just squirts water at people. There's little various places around the park that you can do this. It's fun. Behind me is the hut where you can get the rentals for the cabanas and the premium seating. Both of them are sold out completely today. So that tells you just how busy it is. All right, so I came over here, and this is like the other side over there is Oh No and Oh Yeah. They're drop slides. Those are super fun, and I would love to do this today. And then right here in front of the volcano, for some more tube slides that I have yet to do because I'm scared of cats. So I'm gonna just go over here for a little bit on this little walkway. I'm not gonna go through because you do have to walk through a waterfall, and I do not have my GoPro right now. This is my Canon, so it cannot get wet. Oh my goodness, it is way busy. Busy. But right there is our favorite pool, the Reef Pool. That's where Brandon and the kids are right now. They went in the lazy river. They were gonna go swimming over there while I walked around for a bit. But yeah, this is the waterfall that I would have to walk through to go inside to see falls. And I'm gonna have to turn around. So maybe I can go in a different entrance and go say hello. All right, here's a look at those tube slides, Oh No and Oh Yeah. One drops from 6 feet and the other drops from 10. It is a really fun little pool. So then you just get out, and on the other side, there's a little kiddie splash area that you can play in. All right, here's the pool. There's people in it, so I'm not gonna show the bottom half, but there are some Tapu Tapus. There's one in the middle. And if you do it and then put your hands in certain spaces, it makes all of these little fish move in circles and water squirts out, and it's quite fun. All right, so we're going into another entrance for the volcano. And this way, I'm not gonna get wet. The floor closed. Hey, you guys want to go up, please? Fall today sounds like a woman. It is very dark in this volcano, so be careful where you're walking. Don't bump into someone. There's a few little different walkways that you can go through as well. Sorry, it's very loud in here. For example, this barrier, you can go right or left. It goes the same place. I can actually see better through my camera than just normal right now. But just keep walking around. There's the Fearless. Yeah, if you tap in here, you get blasted with air. Oh, it does. It feels so good on this really hot day. Okay, so now we're here in front of us. We have the little monkeys that are like kissing In front of us, like I said, is the Fearless River and Krakatau that we're going to ride in 210 minutes. All right. This is like my favorite part of the Fearless River because it just, you really don't have to do anything. You just lay there, but when you look up, you see all of these winding slides everywhere. And I just think it's really neat. Plus it's in the shade. Alright, so I'm not going to continue going out that way. That's just another exit. Going back in, I'll show you some little magic that happens. So instead of going to there and talking to Bull, we're going to go down this little ramp. Alright, this is the tapu I wanted to show you. So, tap in. And it just keeps going. How beautiful! I love it. This is the walkway that I didn't go through earlier because I didn't want to get my camera wet. So I can go back through this way into the waterfall. But I love this little section too. It's very loud because the waterfall is right here in front of me, in front of the wave pool. But I love it. Look, you can look down below. And then out through. And you can see the hundreds of people. Section blocked off. You cannot swim in this area. I see my family. That's Brandon and Owen and Nadia right here. So yeah, you can't swim in this area right now either.
No. Without me on
You need to get up.
All right.
No, it's okay. They're fine.
They're not going to hurt you. Those ones are harmless. You could.
That's snake. Come on, snake.
We had a fantastic time at Volcano Bay today. It was hot, so very hot. We were able to ride Krakatau. That was amazing. We always make sure to ride that when we're here. We also were able to walk around the entire Volcano Bay water park and take a look at some of the wait times around and see just exactly how crowded it was here today on this July 4th, 2023. It was a really, really hot day, but we have lots of fun here at Volcano Bay. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more upcoming videos.